long has the warning light been on?
Don't worry, we're not gonna run out of gas. Trust me.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Come on.
Come on.
Okay, all right, look, don't panic, okay? We can still make it to the reunion. All right, I'll just make a call. Now, come on.
I forgot to recharge the batteries.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Look, looks like there's a phone a couple miles up the road.
A couple miles?